tragic incident occurred. Meanwhile, Mehndi has also filed a ground report on the Delhi minor rape case. Take a look.
A shocking incident in the national capital happened at around 8:40 p.m. yesterday, where a 9-year-old girl was sexually assaulted and also announced dead as soon as she reached the hospital. This is the area where this incident happened. This is the Dayalpur Nehru Vihar area, and we are showing you the visuals also from the residence of that 9-year-old girl. Indeed, the girl was minor and she was sexually assaulted, and as soon as she reached the GCP hospital, where the police officials went with the father of the girl, and she was announced dead as soon as she reaches there. So you can see that how people have gathered here, and all the people are very angry and asking for justice for the minor girl, because one of the neighbors is under scrutiny right now, is under we can say under doubts right now, because the suitcase from where the dead body of the minor girl was found from his particular flat as well, and which is also very nearby, only 3-4 we can say houses after that a flat is there from where the suitcase was found. So indeed now more investigation is still underway right now in this matter, and the Delhi police team, the crime branch team, the FSL team is still investigating this matter, and the 6 teams have been made to find that person who did this major crime of sexually assaulting a minor girl, and also the murder, we can say, of that minor girl. And this matter has been registered under various sections under the POCSO Act, and also the other sections have been applied under this particular, you can say, the incident that happened. So right now this all the matter is under investigation. The Delhi police is on high alert, and we exclusively had a conversation with the mother of the girl as well, with the grandfather of the girl as well, and they mentioned that the girl didn't know the guy, and she didn't usually not talk to anyone in this particular area as well. So indeed right now it is a major shocking incident that happened in the national capital, and the matter is under investigation. So still more information is awaited right now, but Delhi police and all the you can say the concerned officials and the concerned departments are investigating this matter very closely. With camera person Ankush, I am Mehndi Garg for News X.
Well, that's all for this bulletin. We'll take a short break.
जब 3 साल के अक्षर